Yes, it's your girl Viana's Beauty. I hope by now you will notice that I am not feeling fine, but I want to do this video because I'm precisely very excited today, and that is because I received my YouTube first paycheck. Now I am Viana's Beauty, and if you're new to this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, from fitness, hairstyle, lifestyle, fashion, beauty. And today I'm gonna be revealing everything, like my hard work has started has started yielding results. And how can I show you how grateful I am if I don't show you how much you have made me earn? I know for most youth beginner YouTubers, they usually skip this step because when you're just starting up, what you make on YouTube is very small compared to the effort, the time, the finances you put into it. But I'll be revealing all that today. So for those who know, I monetized a few months back, and it took a while for my pin to come. I already made a video about that. Finally the pin came, and immediately the pin came because I had passed the threshold. Now if you're in the US, you need $100 in your account before YT can pay you out, and the payout every month. And every month, sorry, before I proceed, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscription button. Keep on supporting me because you are the reason I can even earn a dime on YouTube. So thank you so much for the old subscribers I've had, and thank you for you who's about to hit on the red button. I love you so much. Yeah guys, so as I was saying, after you've monetized, they usually send you a verification pin, which is what they will use to verify your address, and after which they will verify your bank account. And the way to verify this bank account is that after you've entered the pin they've sent to you, usually it takes 2 to 4 weeks. For my case, it took more than 7 weeks because the first one they sent, after 4 weeks I didn't receive it, so I had to reapply to send the same number pin. So if you reapply, be assured that it will be the same number. Should in case the first one comes, you can just keep it or dispose of it. That's what they told me the second time I applied. So when you've applied, I applied the second time, and immediately I applied. In less than 1 week I received the pin at the first. Yes, so let me not go further with that because I already made a video about that. So when I received the pin, I entered the pin, and the next day they deposited 59 cents in my account. I had to verify that in my AdSense account, and just in the space of like 2 days they deposited this amount in my account. And guys, that's my first YouTube paycheck. I'm super proud of it. It isn't much, but I'm so grateful to God because many people have been on this journey. Many people have monetized, and they even go for a year without receiving the paycheck. This is because there's a certain amount you have to, there's a threshold you have to reach before they can pay you out this amount. And if you can't reach this threshold, then you will not receive any money, any dime from YouTube. So that's why I'm super grateful for this. And I just believe that if it's depending only on my views, honestly, I wouldn't have been able to make such an amount. But I'm so thankful for all the super chatters I've had, for all those who have joined my membership. And by the way, please, why haven't you joined my membership? Guys, we need each other. Please join my membership. My voice is sounding very, very funny today because I have flu and I have sorry, it's not the call. It's not it. Okay, don't be scared. I'm safe. I am safe and I am healthy. It's just a change in the weather, like winter in Ireland. It's very harsh. You can see me with the coat. Yeah, it's very harsh. So I have flu. So back to what I was saying, please join my membership. Let's take this channel to the next level. So it's due to people who join my membership and the super chatters, people who are always super chatting me on my premieres. Yes, if you didn't know, you can super chat me on my premieres, you can super chat me on my live streams. So this is just what made me receive my first Paycheck. If it was only dependent on my views, honestly, I don't think even up to 6 months I would have been able to make the amount I made. So guys, I'm going to be taking you through my analytics so that you can see the videos that are paying most for me, like the areas I pay. Most of my views are coming from my country, Cameroon, so I've not made, till now I've not made any dime from it. Guys, I'm not saying you should stop watching me, okay? You can keep on watching me, but you know, it depends on like where your views are coming from, the type of content you are creating. These are all the things that um that determine how much you make or whiting. So as you already know, I am mostly in the beauty and in the fitness niche, which is already very saturated, but that's what I love doing. I'll not go into another niche because I am earning low. So guys, let's get into the analytics. I'll just walk you through it and you will see everything. Most YouTubers usually don't reveal this, but I want to be one transparent YouTuber out there, and I hope you appreciate my effort. Please, if you do, give this video a big thumbs up, hit on the notification bell and the subscription bell if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and without further ado, let's move into it.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube analytics, and now I'll be walking you through my revenue. So to start with, this is how much I've made so far, and I want to apologize. I made this video 1 month ago, but I didn't know how to screen record my computer, so I just figured that out today, and today I'll be posting this video the 24th of November. So showing ahead was my revenue for November. I'll make a video on that, but before we proceed, I would like you to know the definition of some things, because it's a combination of all these things that increases your revenue as a YouTuber. So CPM is cost per 1,000 impression. Okay, how much this means, the metrics that represent how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube. You'll see a few different CPM metrics in YouTube analytics, and it just depends on your content, like where your views are coming from and all that. And RPM means revenue per mile. That's revenue per thousand views. How much will pay you per 1,000 views? Okay, so playback CPM is different from CPM, and playback CPM usually is higher than your CPM, but at the end of the day, it's a combination of all these things that gives you your final revenue at the end of the month. Okay guys, so now this is my revenue. These are my top ending videos. You can see what do you do to spice up your relationship. That was a live. I was super chat on the live. That's why the revenue is high on that video. You can see skippable ads. That's where most of my revenue is coming from. You can see my estimated ads revenue, which is 40 euros. That's for the last 28 days. So always check. Now I can go to the month. You can choose the month from here to see your exact earning. Let me take October. I didn't receive any paycheck because I didn't reach the threshold. If you're in America, the threshold is $100. I'm in Ireland. My threshold is supposed to be 70 euros, but I didn't reach the threshold. You can see how much I made just 45 euros, so I wasn't paid. Now that's my RPM. My RPM was low, even though it showed that it was going high, because I just monetized and I was trying to put a lot of things in place, which I have. If you want me to make a detailed video on how to increase your income, please comment down below. So revenue per mile is how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. RPM is based on multiple revenue sources, which includes your ads, whether skippable, unskippable, channel memberships, YouTube premium revenue, super chat, and super stickers. So if you saw when I began the YouTube, like this YouTube analytics, you see that my revenue has far more increased than what it is now, because I've put in place all these things I just mentioned. And I'm just trying to show you for each day. If you put the cursor, you'll see that it shows you like how much you made for that day. Okay, some days you can make higher, some days you can make less, but once you've mastered the game, which is something I'm trying to do now, you just ensure that for every day you make higher than what you made the previous day, even if it's just more than 1 cent. Okay, so getting below, you see that for that period, these were my top earning videos for skippable ads, which that's where most of my revenue came from. And my estimated ad for that month was 34 euros. Okay, my revenue is in euros because I'm in Ireland. We use euros and they automatically convert from dollars to euros. So that's what I made for my channel membership after YT collected their own percentage. You know that for everything you make, YT will collect its own percentage, guys. So basically for November now, I think I'll have to make another video for that. I've made 65 euros already for November. Yeah, so that is for August. Yes, my first paycheck was in August, guys. I made $83 and 83 euros, and that's exactly what they paid in my account, 83 euros. Even though my second paycheck is higher than this, we'll talk about that some other time. It's higher than this. That's what you should try to do, like just try to improve on your income. And this 83 euros even came.
So far you've seen everything. You've seen where I started, when I started my channel, when I dropped my first video. You've seen the videos that are giving me like the amounts. You've seen where most of my earnings are coming from, like in terms of the country, that's the UK, US. Yeah, and Ireland, where I am, I'm based in Ireland, and the earning here is not that much, but at least it's better than my country. So guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you so very much for the support. Please keep supporting me, keep sharing my videos. If you can, join my membership. If you can join my membership, you can just always help me by sharing my videos. And if you can, please super chat me, because that is how you can support me. That's how you can make me earn. As you know, I'm very passionate about this channel, but it's also good to have some sort of motivation. Yeah, okay guys, thank you so much. That is it for today. And for my small other, for upcoming YouTubers like me, I want to tell you that don't give up. Just hang on there. Even if you monetize and you don't reach the threshold, keep doing you, keep doing you. Even if they can't pay you this month, the money will keep accumulating till you reach your threshold, and then they will pay you. So don't give up, guys. Let's keep on striving. Do your best to upgrade on your videos. Do your best to just gain that confidence to interact, connect with your audience. Like I told you, there was one YouTube video I posted which I was saying that it's good to connect with your audience. As you can see me, I'm looking at you. I'm not looking at myself. Now I'm looking at myself, but now I'm looking at you. Yeah, so just keep practicing that, keep looking at the lens, and we will keep earning, we'll keep making it on this YouTube, and one day I believe we gotta blow with your help, guys. Thank you so much. Now I'm gonna go drink my tea because I can feel the cough coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up.